Want to personalize your Samsung Galaxy phone with your favorite song? The good news is that Samsung makes it easy to use almost any audio file as a custom ringtone. Follow these simple steps to set your favorite track as your ringtone in just a few minutes. Step 1. Unlock your Samsung Galaxy device and open the Settings applications to open the Settings page. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Sounds and Vibration. This section contains all ringtone, notification, and audio-related settings. Step 3. Tap Ringtone. If your Samsung phone supports dual SIM cards, choose the SIM card for which you want to set the custom ringtone. Step 4. In the ringtone selection screen, tap the plus icon or add button located in the upper right corner. This opens Samsung's Sound Picker tool. Step 5. Browse through your music library, folders, artists, or audio files and select the song you want to use as your ringtone. Samsung supports many common audio formats, making it easy to find your preferred track. Step 6. You may notice the Play Selected Highlights Only option. When enabled, Samsung automatically chooses the most recognizable part of the song, such as the chorus. If you prefer the ringtone to start from the beginning, simply disable this option. Step 7. After selecting your song, tap Done in the top right corner. Your Samsung Galaxy phone will immediately save and apply the selected track as your ringtone. That's it. Your favorite song is now set as your Samsung ringtone, thus giving your phone a more personal and unique sound whenever someone calls. This method is simple, quick, and works on most modern Samsung Galaxy devices.